is about a connection between SQL Server with Visual Studio. So our first priority is to open our SQL Server. So it's opening. As you can see, it's open, detected my database. So first of all, create a new database. I'll create it as a login page and make a table of login. Just we have clicked it and create a new query on login page. So we will create a table, create table login employee, and its credentials are ID as well as it will be integer primary key, and we will place it as identity, so we don't have to write it again. So our next main priority is username. Username, it will be nvarchar as 255. It's so the second one is password. We will name it same as nvarchar 255. So it's completed. Our database table is successfully done. So now we need to look at it, how is it created or not. So we need to check it by select all from login employee. Let's see. As you can see, database table is created. Now we need to put some data in it. Insert data. So simply insert into login employee, and its values are, we don't need to write ID because it's identity, so we'll go as username. First username, it's nvarchar, so we need to write it string, so I'll write it Tyler, and its password is 12345. Simple, it's done. Just execute it. Now we need to recheck it again. It's checked. So we have a username and password. Now we need to connect our SQL Server with our Visual Studio. We need to open our Visual Studio. So it's open, create new project. As well as we will go for Windows Form C#. As you can see, it's open. So we need to go to Server Explorer. As you can see, it's already there. We just need to create a new connection with Visual Studio. So add connect to the database. We need to add the database first. So let's go. Here we have already selected Microsoft SQL Server. So simply press the server name. So we have a database name is loading. What was our name? It was login. We have selected the database login. Just need to confirm that connection. As you can see, contest connection is succeeded. Press OK. As you can see, our database is here with its table login employee. As you can see, it's then credentials or ID, username, password. So we have our database is SQL database is connected successfully with our Visual Studio, and these are the connection strings we needed to make our this connection useful. We just need to copy that and create our new class and implement with our Windows form. That's how we will successfully use this database with our, as well as we need it whatever type of software we need. We just need to copy this connection string and paste it to our connection class and then continue our work, so the database is working is successfully. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you will enjoy it. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below the video. Thank you.